The tea is piping hot this Thursday and your favorite Bolly Bee is spilling it all, from some more sensational claims in the Sushant Singh Rajput case to the actor's family threatening legal action, Sara Ali Khan and Sushant's hush-hush romance coming to light, and of course Kangana Ranaut sharing interesting insights on it all. You're gonna want to stick around because it doesn't get more controversial than this. After getting the full authority from the Supreme Court to investigate the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, the buzz is that the CBI's SIT team will be headed over to the actor's Bandra house as part of their probe. But that's not the sensational news break coming in. A former RNAW agent has alleged there is an underworld link to Sushant's death. Criminals from underworld do their work with precision and try their best to divert attention, he said. Suicide, murder, Bollywood mafia, money laundering, and now the underworld? Well, it's high time someone starts giving us answers. The actor's family, on the other hand, has threatened legal action against those using Sushant's death for profit activities, warning against making the actor a poster boy for mental health awareness. Brother-in-law Vishal Kirti assured that any such activity carried out without the family's permission will be sued later. He also stated that if the family feels that they've been libeled by any organization or individual, they will pursue legal recourse. But they can't sue everyone who was talking about mental health, can they? And while the discourse shifted gears and went down a new route altogether, a friend of the late actor made our jaw hit the floor when he alleged that Sushant and Sara Ali Khan were totally in love during the shoot of Kedarnath. He further alleged that the Bollywood mafia may have had a hand in their breakup. Turns out, we weren't the only ones shocked by this new claim. But Kangana Ranaut also stepped in to share her inputs that were nothing short of controversy in itself. News of Sushant Singh Rajput and Sara's affair was all over the media. Apparently, they were even sharing a room during their outdoor. Why these fancy nepotism kids show dreams to vulnerable outsiders and then publicly dump them? No wonder he fell for a vulture post that, Kangana said in a tweet. Taking a page from her own experiences, she went on to add, I believe Sara must have loved him. He wasn't a fool to fall for a girl whose affection isn't genuine, but she must have been under pressure. And that's when she dropped the explosive scoop saying, what I shared with Hrithik was genuine at that point. I still have no doubts about it. Why suddenly he became so hostile is still a mystery to me. On the other side of town, the mortal remains of legendary Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jasraj were kept for friends, fans and family to pay their final respects, following which he was accorded a funeral with full state honours at the Villeparle crematorium. Pandit Jasraj breathed his last in New Jersey on Monday, plunging the world of music into a pall of gloom. That's all we have for you today, honey buns, but we'll be back with our Friday special to keep you buzzing through the weekend.